decimal places. So first one, in the solution write down 0.5 and 0.05. Okay, so why we are compare here first the whole part. Okay, so in the whole part, in the ones place there is a 0, here also there is a 0. Then compare the next decimal first part. Decimal first part is tens place. So compare here in the decimal first place tens. Here there is a 5 tens. Here there is a 0 tens. So which is greater? Yes, that is 0.5 is greater. Okay, so let's write here 0.5 is greater than 0.05. Okay. Then let's see here 0.8 or 0.88. So you may observe here there is a 0.8. Here decimal point after only one place, and in the next decimal number 0.88. So after the decimal point there are the two decimal places. Means these two are unlike decimals. So we have to make it into like decimal by adding the 0 to the next decimal place. Okay, so now you compare in the whole number place there is only 0. In this number also in the ones place there is a 0. So both are equal. So let's compare the decimal part. In the decimal part, the first place is tens. Here there is 8 tens. So in this number also here there is 8 tens. So what we have to do? So let's compare the next place, that is hundreds place. In the hundreds place there is a 0, and in this number in the hundreds place there is a 8. So now you compare here which is greater. Yes, it's absolutely. So 0.88 is the greater than 0.80. Okay, so you may also write last 0.88 is greater. Okay, and 0.50 or 5 is greater. Okay, yes. The rest of the products we have to compare and write which is greater. Then let's go to solve the second main. So express as in rupees. Okay, using. So second main is express as rupees using the decimals. So here they are given 7 paisa. So we have to convert or express it as a rupees. So we know that 1 rupee is equals to 100 paisa, right? So write it the downside. So right side. So 1 rupee is equals to 100 paisa. Then 1 paisa is equals to 1 by 100 rupees. Then here write down or in the decimal form, that is 0.01 rupees. Okay, so you may write this right side and the solution. So 7 paisa is equals to how many rupees? So in the solution you may write it as, so 7 paisa is equals to rupees 7 by 100. So which is equals to in decimal form, that is 0.07. Okay, so that is 0.07. So with the same like the second one, 7 rupees and 7 paisa. So here already they are given in the rupees and we have to convert this paisa. So we know that 7 paisa is equals to rupees 0.07. Right? So just we have to add here in the solution. So 7 rupees 7 paisa is equals to, so 7 rupees write it as 7 plus 7 paisa is equals to rupees 0.07. So let's add here, there is a 7.00 and 0.07. So if we add these two, we will get 7, 0 and 7. So which is equals to rupees 7.07. Okay. So then let's convert or express as a rupees, that is 235 paisa. So we know that 1 rupee is equals to 100 paisa, then 1 paisa is equals to 1 by 100 rupees. The same type 235 paisa is equals to rupees 235 divided by 100. Okay, so which is equals to rupees. We see here in the denominator there are 2 zeros, means we have to keep the 2 decimal places of the point. Okay, so 1 2 keep the point, means that is rupees 2.35. Okay, so 235 paisa is equals to rupees 2.35. It's clear? It's the same way we have to do the rest of the problems. Okay, then let's go to solve the third question. Then let's solve the third main. Express 5 centimeter in meter and kilometer. So here they are given the 5 centimeter. We have to express it as a meter and also in the kilometer. Okay, so first write down once 5 centimeter, right? So we know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Then 1 centimeter is equals to 1 by 100 meter. Right? Then let's write your solution. So 5 centimeter is equals to 5 centimeter is equals to 5 by 100 meter. If you write in the decimals, so that is 0.05 meter. Clear? So in the denominator there are the 2 zeros. We have to place the decimal point after the 2 places. So 5 after there is no number, just add 0 and give the point, and it is 0.05 meter. Then in the same side 5 centimeter as in kilometer, right? So we know that 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Then 1 meter is equals to 1 by 1000 kilometer. Right? So here 1 meter is equals to 1 by 100. So then 1 centimeter is equals to 1 by 1000 into 100, which is equals to how much? 1 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 1 lakh. Okay, then which is equals to, write down here 5 centimeter is equals to 5 divided by 1 lakh kilometer, which is equals to, write down 5 here. So we have to give the decimal point after the 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then keep the point 0. That is 0.0005 kilometer. So 5 centimeter is equals to 0.00005 kilometer. Okay, it's clear? With the same time we have to do the express 35 millimeter in centimeter, meter and kilometer. Right? So first we have to write it right side. So 1 millimeter is, sorry, 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. Right? Then 1 millimeter is equals to 1 by 10 centimeter. So then first convert here. So 35 millimeter is equals to 35 millimeter is equals to 35 by 10 centimeter. So that means 35 by 10 means in the denominator there is a 10. It has 1 0, means after the 1 space we have to keep the point. That is 3.5 centimeter. Okay. Then the same like 35 millimeter into meter. Okay. So we know that 1 meter is equals to, sorry, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Then 1 centimeter is equals to 1 by 100 meter. Okay. So now you write. So 1 millimeter is equals to, so 1 by 100 into 1 by 10. 1 by 100 into 1 by 10, which is equals to 1 by 1000 meter. Then write down here 35 millimeter is equals to, so 35 divided by 1000 meter. Okay, so which is equals to, we have to place the point after the 3 decimal places, means 0.035 meter. Okay, then let's start. So 35 meter is equals to 35 mm. 35 mm is equals to so dash kilometer. So right, so we know that 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Then 1 meter is equals to 1 by 1000 kilometer. 1 by 1000 kilometer. Then 1 millimeter is equals to how many kilometer? Then 1 millimeter is equals to 1 by 1000 into 1 by 1000, which is equals to how many zeros are there here? Which is equals to 3 zeros plus 3 zeros, total is 6 zeros. That is 1 divided by, that is 10 lakh. So divided by 35 divided by so 10 lakh kilometer. So which is equals to write the 35 kilo, and we have to keep the decimal point after the 6 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep the point which is equals to 0.000035 kilometer. So 35 millimeter is equals to 0.000035 kilometer. It's clear? Yes, once you have to remember this, 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter and 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. If you know all these, you will do the problem easily. Okay? Then let's move on to the fourth question. Then the next point is third way, express in kilograms. Okay? So here they are given the 3 problems. I have taken 2 different ones. Okay? So first one is 200 grams. So 200 grams is equals to how many kgs? So we know that 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. Then 1 gram is equals to 1 by 1000 kg as so which is equals to that is 0.001 kg. Right? So at the same time do it here. 200 gram is equals to so 200 divided by 1000 kg. So in the denominator there are the 3 zeros. We have to keep the decimal point after the 3 places. Okay. So write 200 as it is and count the places 1, 2, 3 and keep the point. That is 0.0200 kg. Okay. Then the third one is 4 kg 8 grams. So 4 kg already they are given in the kilogram. Just we have to convert 8 grams into kg. The same type right down here. So 1 gram is equals to 1 by 1000 kg. Right? Then 8 gram is equals to 8 by 1000 kg. So if we keep it as in the decimal form, which is equals to 0.008 kg. Right? So then therefore, so 4 kg 8 grams is equals to 4 kg, write it as it is, and 0.008 that is 008 kg. Just we have to add 4 plus 0.008 kg. So then we will get the sum. So 4.008 kgs. Okay. Then the middle second question that is very easy. So you will read that. Okay. Then let's move on to the fifth question. So write the given decimal number in the expanded form. So we have to expand the given decimal number. Okay. So first write the given decimal number as it is. That is 20.03. So let's start to write the expanded form from the highest place. So here the highest place is whole part that has tens place, right? So in the tens place there is a 2. Then write it as 2 into 10 plus in the ones part there is a ones place there is a 0. So just write it as 0, or you may also write 0 into 1. Okay, so I will write it as 0 into 1 plus, and the decimal part, so in the tens place there is a 0. So write it as 0 by tens plus in the hundreds place there is a 3. So write it as 3 by hundreds. Okay, so it is the expanded form of the 0.03. Then the third one is 200.03. So write the expanded form of this number. Write the given number as it is 200.03, which is equals to, I will write it downside. So in the highest whole part there is a 100 place that has 2. So 2 is in the hundreds place, write 2 into 100, plus in the tens place there is a 0, write it as it is 0, plus in the ones place also there is a 0, so write it 0, and the next one is decimal part. So in the tens place there is a 0, so write it as it is 0, plus, and in the by 10, and in the tens hundreds place there is a 3, write it as 3 by hundreds. Clear? The same time we have to do the second one problem. Okay, then let's move on to the sixth question. This question is, write the place value of 2 in the following decimal numbers. So here they are given some of the decimal numbers. We have to write the place value of 2. Okay, so in the first one 2.56. So 2 is in the place that is ones, right? So place value of ones, place value of 2 is, it is in the ones place, that is 2. Then now what is the place value of 21.37? You may see here 2 is in the tens place, and the place value of 2 is 20. Okay, third one 10.25. Here 2 is in the place of tens place, means that is 2 by 10. So which is equals to the place value of 2 is 0.2. Okay, then the fourth one is 9.42. So here 2 is in the place of hundreds place, that is 2 by 100, which is equals to, that is 0.02. Okay, then fifth one 63.352. So you may see here 2 is in the place of thousands, that means 2 divided by 1000, which is equals to 0.002. Clear? So like this we have to write down the place value of a given numbers. Okay, then let's go to the seventh question. The seventh question is here, Dinesh went from place A to place B and from there to place C. So A is 7.5 km from B and B is 12.7 km from C, and I went from place A to place D, from there to place C. So D is 9.3 km from A and C is 11.8 km from D. So who traveled more and by how much? Okay, so let's see here. Here they are given the figure. The distance between the A and B is 7.5 km and B to C is 12.7 km and C to D is 11.8 km and D to A is 9.3 km. So here Dinesh went from A to B and B to C. Okay, and Ayub went from A to D and D to C. Right? So here we have to find out the total distance traveled by Dinesh and Ayub, and we have to say who traveled more by how much. Okay, so let's write here the total distance covered by Dinesh is, the Dinesh moved from place A to B and place B to C. So the total distance covered by the Dinesh is 7.5 plus 12.7. So you may do the addition in the right side. So 7.5 and 12.7. Add here 5 plus 7 is 12. Carry 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 10, 0. Carry, then 1 plus 1 is 2. So Dinesh traveled Dinesh covered the distance 20.2 kilometer. Dinesh covered the distance 20.2 kilometer. So at the same time the total distance covered by Ayub is, he traveled from place A to D and D to C. So the total distance traveled by the Ayub is 9.3 kilometer plus 11.8 kilometer. So add these two, you will get the total distance covered by the Ayub. And 8 plus 3 is equals to 11. Keep the point, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 11, and carry So I covered the distance which is equals to 21.1 kilometer. So now you compare here 20.2 and 21.1 kilometer. Who traveled more distance or who covered the more distance? So therefore we can say that 21.1 is greater than 20.2. So by how much they asked that, no? So we want to subtract these two. So Ayub covered the more distance by how much? Let's see here. Ayub covered more distance by, so subtract here 21.1 and 20.2. So subtract here. So 1 minus 2 cannot be subtracted. Borrow from the next place. That is 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. Keep the decimal point. Here there comes 0. 0 minus 0 is 0 and 0. So that is the answer is 0.9 kilometer. So 0.9 kilometer is equals to 900 meter. So Ayub covered the more distance than Dinesh and he covered the distance more by 900 meters. Is it clear? Yes. So with the same type there is a 8-1 question. So what is that? So Shama bought some of the quantity of vegetable fruits and Sarah bought some of the quantity of fruits. So we have to do the same method. Who brought more quantity of fruits and by how much? Okay. So I hope you will do that problem. After here we have learned how well have you learned about the decimal number and we have solved the exercise problems and also we recalled what we have learned in the 6th standard. Right. So in the next class we are going to learn about the multiplication of decimals.